The hybrid label used to be a turnoff to driving enthusiasts, but the Honda Accord Hybrid won us over for the second year in a row with its great blend of performance and efficiency. Most of the time, the propulsion system works like a serial hybrid, with the gasoline engine driving a generator that makes electricity to power the wheels. But at highway speeds, a lockup clutch connects the engine directly to the front wheels and uses the generator to recharge the batteries. The system also can propel the car in pure EV mode at up to 60 miles per hour for short distances. It sounds complicated, but the result is a smooth flow of power to the wheels that is so seamless it doesn't feel or sound like a hybrid. The EPA rates the car at an impressive 48 mpg in both city and highway driving. And even in below freezing temperatures, with a bunch of lead-foot drivers, we averaged 37 mpg during 10 days of testing. That's terrific efficiency for a big roomy sedan like the Accord. This represents a big step forward to full electrification, says one judge, and we couldn't agree more.